Oh, it's like an old ruin. That's a pretty cool view. Where do you wave? Let's test this zoom. Whoa!
I remember on the way back, Mum and Francois took the road and I bush bashed it and got so lost.
Through here.
I come back down to meet this path.
Luigi. Do you know what you're doing?
Yeah.
You can fall on both sides. Regarde le zoom sur cet appareil. Incroyable. Oh look, a flag!
Well, you gotta be real steady-handed though.
Yeah.
Where'd the pigeons go? Oh man.
Merci. I like this tree. Là, ça fait.
J'avais l'impression qu'on avait marché pour tellement plus longtemps.
Vous êtes pas arrivé jusqu'au bout?
Mais non, il avait le vertige l'autre là.
Found yourself a nice stick, Luigi.
Yep. I got a little long.
Is it gonna hold? Oh.
I was when I saw that goat in Spain.
Oh yeah. Meh. Luigi's leaf collecting.
Yep. Here's Mum.
Ah, c'est beau, hein?
There's lots of cool trees around here, eh?
On va demander combien il y en a qui se sont plantés là-dedans. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
Touche les